Good morning, this is Daniel Buchanan with GetMorePC podcast. So I wanted to just take a quick little second to talk about 3 things that you should be paying somebody to do in your company. And of course these are technology things because I am an IT guy, and so I'm always thinking about techie stuff that people should know about. So I wanted to do this podcast for you all to really get you thinking about what can I do inside the organization and what should I pay somebody else to do. So, there's certain things that require a level of expertise that you may want to seek outside of your organization. Now, if you have an IT guy on staff, that's great. He's probably doing a good job. But if you're not thinking in the way that IT people do, which is very strange, I can tell you now, then you may not be thinking about this. So the first one I'm going to start with, most important, is backup. If you're not thinking about how am I backing up all of the data in my organization on every one of the computers, how am I getting that offsite, how am I getting it backed up securely and safely, then you're not doing your job as your company's IT guy. So if you want to have the stuff that your people are working on, if you want to have that safe, you're going to need to back it up. So you need to have some kind of strategy for that. That's something that it's at least good to talk to somebody about. And get some ideas about how you might want to do a backup strategy. Now, for the second one, second most important, maybe most important, security. So, antivirus, patches, things on your computer that need to be regularly maintained, those can become security issues if they're not addressed. So, security is huge nowadays. Just look at the 2016 election. There was hacking. If they can hack the DNC, they can hack anybody. So, Gmail's getting hacked right now. So, talking about your security concerns with somebody else who does this on a day-to-day basis is very valuable. And the third item that I'd like to talk about is your network. So, the network is all of the computers together, sort of in a one group. It also includes your wireless. So your wireless is something that, maybe you set it up and stepped away from it and you haven't thought about it for 5 years. Wireless is something that needs to be updated. You need to change your wireless passwords like you change any other passwords. And you need to have guest networks if you have guests that work on your computer system. So your network, your server, if you have a server, it might be good to have somebody look at that server from time to time to make sure it's still backing up. If you have network equipment, switches, they could be old. It could be literally like wasting your time as you're waiting to go online. This old switch is kicking on in the basement. So your network equipment is something else that I would get somebody to look at that does that every day, network systems administrator. So I'm more than happy to talk to you about any of that stuff. There's a lot of other capable, competent people in Knoxville. So anyways, that's Daniel Buchanan with GetMorePC, and I just wanted to take a quick little second to talk about the 3 things that are probably something you want to talk to an expert about. So, have a good day. Thank you.